Couple of weeks ago, Microsoft announced about Copilot third wave, which is Copilot Cowork, which is your virtual assistant to do the work for you. I have seen quite videos to talk about Copilot Cowork and how to do demo, but I haven't seen a video yet talks about how you can enable Copilot Cowork in your environment. And I'm going to show you how you can enable Copilot Cowork in your environment. But before we do that, my name is Mohammed Khalifa, and we help small and medium businesses to get the best out of Dynamics and Copilot. Let me show you. Here I'm going to show you a step-by-step how you can enable Copilot Cowork in your organization. You need to be a global admin to do that. So according to this article from Microsoft, which I'm going to send the link in the description, if you scroll a little bit down, it tells you that you need to join the Frontier program. And still, there is not a lot of documentation clear how you can join the Frontier program. So what you need to do, you need to go to your Microsoft Admin Center, and you need to be a global admin. Go to Copilot, go to Settings, then click in View All, and look for Frontier. Once you find Copilot Frontier, click on it and click All Users. And for my case, I already joined the Frontier program. That's why there is nothing I have to do, but you need to click in All Users and click Save. Step after you enable Copilot Frontier, you need to already buy the license for Copilot Frontier, which is for now, because it's a trial, it is for free, which is good for you. What you need to do is you need to go to Billing, Products, then you need to look for the word Frontier, and you will see the Microsoft Agent 365 Frontier has been already installed. What you need to do as an extra step, you need to buy an extra license. So you click over here and you click buy license. I already bought the license, and again, it is all for free. So once you click on buy license, you will see this screenshot shows up for you, or this screen shows for you, which is going to tell you that you can buy Microsoft 365 Frontier. The other one is a Microsoft 365 Frontier with no Teams, but I picked the one with Teams, so I'm able to install the Copilot Cowork on Teams, 3 months. It changes every 3 months, and you will see it is for free. So don't worry about the cost for now until Microsoft makes it paid. Once you click buy, the second screen is going to show up. It's going to make sure that it's asking for credit card information or whatever payment you do, and then you click place order. After you install Copilot Cowork, now you need to make it available for users in their chat and in their teams. And to do that, you need to do the following. It's still inside the admin center for Microsoft. You need to go to agents, you need to go to all agents. You need to look for the word, I already had it, but you need to look for the word Frontier. By the way, after I did this, it took me almost an hour or an hour and a half. I think it may be 2 hours to be able to see the Cowork Frontier over here. So if you don't see it right away, don't panic. Just give it a little bit of time, like an hour or two, and then come back. So once you see Cowork Frontier over here, what you need to do is you need to click on the 3 buttons, and you will see block. Because I already had it installed, it tells me an uninstall, but you will see block and install. What you need to do is you need to come here and just install it. And also what I'd like to do for the users, I like to come on the top over here, and I like to pay it for all users. So by the way, if anyone goes to their chat from my team, they will see the Copilot Frontier. So now if I go to Copilot chat, I can find my Copilot Cowork over here, and feel free to give it a try. Click on it. You can also see that it is connected to cloud, like we said before. And if we open Teams, if we click on Copilot on the side over here, we will also see that our Cowork Frontier is available not just in the chat, but also in Teams. If you liked this how-to, subscribe to get more. Talk to you soon. Bye.